In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Bitget. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Bitget account. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you up to 6,200 USDT in welcome and trading bonuses. Once you've logged into your account, we're going to go right up here to the top left-hand corner and tap on this profile icon. That should bring you to a page that looks like this, and we're going to scroll down until we see buy and tap on it. From here, we're going to go over here where it says buy and tap on the arrow next to whatever currency currently shows. And from this list, we're going to pick out SOL, or just search for it in the search bar here. Tap on SOL. And right here, you can see the minimum amount of SOL that we can buy is 15 USD. If USD is not your local currency, you just tap on the arrow next to USD and search for your local currency here, or search for it in the search bar there. For example, if you're in Canada or if you're in Europe, well, for this example, I'll stick to USD and tap on it. You can enter the amount you want right here, or you can go with a pre-selected amount laid down below. For example, if I want to buy $200 worth of SOL, I just tap on 200, tap on buy SOL now, and here you're going to select your payment method. For me, I only have Visa, MasterCard show up, so I'll tap on that and tap on add card. Fill in your bank information, tap next. Confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's the first way to buy Solana on Bitget. Another way to buy SOL on Bitget is by going back to the home page, and right down here we're going to see this little icon that says trade. We're going to tap on that, and from here we're going to make sure that we're in our spot account, and right here where it says BTC USDT, we're going to tap this arrow, and we're going to search for SOL in the search bar. You're going to have these options that pop up. You're going to trade whatever asset you currently have into SOL. For example, if I want to trade USDT into SOL, we're going to tap on this one here. We're going to make a market order, and we're going to put in the amount of USDT that we want to transfer into SOL. After, we're going to tap on buy SOL and confirm the transaction on the next page. And that's how to buy Solana on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.